We'll guide you through how to find your ChatGPT ID. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're on the main page, you'll need to log in to your account. If you're not already logged in, click the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your credentials after. Logging in, you'll land on your ChatGPT dashboard. To find your ChatGPT ID, look for your profile icon, usually located at the lower left corner of the page. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Account Cedents. Click on it. This will take you to a new page with your account details. Here, you'll find your ChatGPT ID clearly displayed along with other personal information. It's usually labeled as User ID or Account ID. Make sure to note it down or copy it if you need to use it for support or integration purposes. This ID is unique to your account and can be useful for troubleshooting or accessing special features. Remember to keep your ID secure and do not share it publicly. If you have any issues locating it, consider checking the help section on the ChatGPT website for more detailed instructions or contact support for assistance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.